Hi, I'm Lisa, True Spirit Intuitive Healing, and today is lesson 11 in A Course in Miracles. And we are aligning with our true spirit and co-creating with the divine. So sometimes it's really hard to integrate all of the things that we're learning. And I was having a day like that yesterday. I didn't put it all together until, sometimes in the middle of the night or in the morning, you get these clear ideas from your spirit. And this morning I kind of got this clear idea that I have been co-creating with the divine all along. And I keep thinking about it out in the future, but it's actually happening right now in the present moment. Of course, I'm I know this already, but sometimes it's to experience it, we have to integrate it and put it all together, and it's a lot. So I am realizing that in this very moment, I am co-creating with the divine, and that's always where it happens, in the present moment. I just wanted to share that. And now lesson 11 is, I am upset because I see a meaningless world. The importance of this idea lies in the fact that it contains a correction for a major perceptual distortion. You think that what upsets you is a frightening world, or a sad world, or a violent world, or an insane world. All these attributes are given it by you. The world is meaningless in itself. These exercises are done with eyes open. Look around you, this time quite slowly. Try to pace yourself so that the slow shifting of your glance from one thing to another involves a fairly constant time interval. Do not allow the time of the shift to become markedly longer or shorter, but try instead to keep a measured, even tempo throughout. What you see does not matter. You teach yourself this as you give whatever your glance rests on equal attention and equal time. This is a beginning step in learning to give them all equal value. As you look about you, say to yourself, I think I see a fearful world, a dangerous world, a hostile world, a sad world, a wicked world, a crazy world, and so on, using whatever descriptive terms happen to occur to you. If terms seem very positive rather than negative occur to you, include them. For example, you might think of a good world or a satisfying world. If such terms occur to you, use them along with the rest. You may not yet understand why these nice adjectives belong in these exercises, but remember that a good world implies a bad world, and a satisfying world implies an unsatisfying one. All terms which cross your mind are suitable subjects for today's exercises. Their seeming quality does not matter. Be sure that you do not alter the time intervals between applying today's idea to what you think is pleasant and what you think is unpleasant. For the purposes of these exercises, there is no difference between them. At the end of the practice period, add, but I am upset because I see a meaningless world. Oh, there's more. What is meaningless is neither good or bad. Why then should a meaningless world upset you? If you could accept the world as meaningless and let the truth be written upon it for you, it would make you indescribably happy. But because it is meaningless, you are impelled to write upon it what you would have it be. It is this that you see in it. It is this that is meaningless in truth. Beneath your words is written the word of God. The truth upsets you now, but when your words have been erased, you will see His. That is the ultimate purpose of these exercises. 3 or 4 times is enough for practicing the idea for today, nor should the practice periods exceed a minute. You may find even this too long. Terminate the exercises whenever you experience a sense of strain. So one of the things that I learned in doing family constellations is that you get to the point in facilitating a constellation that you don't really know what to do next. And what I was taught is to just pause there, stay there. and just wait for it to come in. And I think that's what the meaning of this lesson in A Course in Miracles is that we if we don't put our own meaning on it, it will come in. If we allow it, if we give it space, it will come in.